If you don't watch this video till the end, you might miss the complete method of building long English sentences. Today, I am going to speak one long English sentence and a sentence made from small, simple phrases. A sentence that sounds natural in spoken English. And it may look difficult at first, but by the end of this video, you will clearly understand how this long sentence is built step by step. So I am learning English every day at my home with full focus and strong motivation to improve my speaking skills, my spoken skills. Now, don't worry if these sentences look long or confusing. By watching this video till the end, you will learn how to build sentence like this easily, naturally, and without memorizing grammar rules. To build correct English sentences, the first and the most important step is understanding the basic sentence pattern. Every English sentence follows one simple pattern: subject plus verb plus information. The subject tells us who is doing the actions, and the verb tells us what actions is happening, and the information gives us extra details about the actions. For example, I learn English. I is the subject and learn is the verb and English is the information. So this is the complete and correct English sentence. Now here is something very important. If you can make one correct simple sentence, you can create hundreds or even thousands of sentences just by changing one part. Let's take the same sentences. I learn English. If we change subject, it becomes like she learns English. They learn English. She learns English. He learns English. If we can change information, it becomes I learn English online. I learn English every day. And the structure stays the same, but the meaning changes. Now, let's move to the most important part of this video: making sentences longer by adding phrases. A phrase is a group of words that gives extra information, but it does not change the main structure of the sentence. So, first, we start with a short sentence. I learn English. Now we add a phrase that time. I learn English every day. And next is we add a phrase that tells place. I learn English every day at my home. And now we add a phrase that tells method. I learn English every day at home while watching videos. And next is we add a phrase that tells purpose. I learn English every day at my home by watching videos to improve my speaking skills. And you can see something very clearly here. We did not change the subject or verb. We only added small phrases step by step. This is the real secret of building long and natural English sentences. You don't need to think of a long sentences in one go. And just start with a short sentences and keep adding small phrases slowly. Let's take another example. Start with a simple sentence. She walks and add place. She works in office. And add a time. She works in an office during the day. And next, add the reason she works in an office during the day to support her family. And you see how the sentence grows naturally. Let's take one more example. The train arrived. And add place, the train arrived at the station. And at the time, the train arrived at the station early in the morning. And now at the manor. The train arrived at the station early in the morning without any delaying. And next, at the reason, the train arrived at the station early in the morning without any delaying and because the weather was clear. And next, extra details. The train arrived at the station early in the morning without any delay because the weather was clear and the tracks were empty. So again, we didn't change the main sentences, like we only added phrases to make it more detailed and meaningful. Now remember one important thing in English, phrase usually comes after the sentence, not before it. First comes the subject, then the verb, and then the main informations, and after that we add phrases. If you follow this order, your sentence will always sound clear and natural. To practice this method, follow this simple step and first say one short sentence and second, ask yourself small questions like when, where, how, and why. Each answer becomes a phrase. And each phrase makes your sentence longer and clear. By using this method, you can speak long sentences without fear, without confusing, and without stopping. So, always remember, learning English is not memorizing complicated grammar rules. It is about understanding pattern and adding some phrases, adding information and step by step. If you master one simple sentence, you can create thousands of sentences. If you learn how to add phrases properly, you can speak longer and more fluent English. Keep practicing, keep growing, and short sentences first, then slowly turn them into longer ones. And very soon you will notice that your spoken English becomes clear, stronger, and natural. And so keep practicing, keep watching, keep growing, keep enjoying. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.